Okay, so ndewo. Tata ihe anyị nwere ime wụ aha m Kenneth Ọhaya. Ihe anyị nwere ime wụ ihe a na-akpọ ịgwa okwu na ikwu okwu, iji okwu were nye okwu. It means like, you know, conjugation and then making sentences. I will say the word, I will make a sentence in English, and then you will be the one to interpret it to Igbo, because that's the purpose of this class. I want you to be able to, you know, use the word, not just trying to understand what I'm saying. I'll be the only one saying the word, but I want you also to learn to speak it, to make a sentence. So we're going to be making like short sentences, and then you'll be the one to tell me what it is in Igbo. So let's try that, because it's going to help us a lot. Instead of me telling you this is what it is, but you don't know how to use the word. So I'm going to share a screen with you. Give me a second. I will minimize this page to share a screen with you. It's taking forever to boot. Okay. All right, so now we're going to do this. I don't know why this thing is kept on staying here. Can everybody see me? Because I can't see the video anymore. I don't know why it disappeared.
Yeah.
Okay, you can see me. I can't see myself, so. Okay. All right. Okay, so right now, this is what we're gonna do. So we do something like, I'm going to put a word here and say, Uche, where are you? Where are you going today? And then another word we say, I am not going anywhere. And the other one we say, oh yeah, oh yes. Oh yes. I will be going. Kelechi asked if I the password, the new password. I will be going to my friend's house. Okay, so this is example the examples of what I'm really talking about. It's just simple sentences, because the key here is to get you to start using the word, to start saying the words, because you have to really learn to speak it. You don't speak it, just hearing it alone is not enough. But I would like you to learn to speak it as well. That's going to help. All right, so I want somebody to take the number 1. Just take the number 1 and tell me how to say it. I don't want to call names, but if you want me to do that, I'm going to do that. But I'm not going to do that yet.
Mbu Uche.
Okay, Uche, say Ahambu Uche. I don't want you to find it hard to say. Ahambu Uche. Can you say it like that?
Ahambu Uche.
Yes, so stop. I don't want you to start breaking the M and then what you're trying to say. If you want to say Ahambu Uche. So don't do it Aham. Just join it together. Ahambu Uche. Good. Ngwa Uche, go ahead.
Uche ibe ka I naga te.
Again, say it again. Say it again.
Uche ibe ka a naga te.
Okay, so you tried. Ebaleri. So Uche. Ebe, you see, I want that E to come out, Uche. Ebe means where. Ebe ka. You see, ka. E is referring to you, okay? Ena, aga, ta. Or you can say tata. You see that? Ebe ka ena aga ta. Ebale. So you tried. Wonderful. Okay. So Uche, ebe ka ena aga ta. That's the sentence. Okay. We need somebody. Achọrọ nke onye ọzọ were number 2.
I'll do number 2.
Number 2 is here. So, okay. If remember, Uche introduced himself, and whoever is gonna talk, please always introduce yourself.
Ahambu Osi.
Okay, Osi Ngwa.
Okay. Anagi aga ebe bula.
Again, Uche. Osita.
Anagi.
I want that M and the D to come out well. So what to use that anagim, I want you to pronounce it clearly. Go ahead.
All right. So anagi aga ebe bula.
Okay. Ballet. Well done. Okay. Ana him. You see this M, the possessive, okay, pronoun. Anagim aga ebe obula. See, good. Well done. Need to punctuate it. Don't forget, because next time, what we're going to do, how to read it and how to spell. That's gonna be what we're doing next week. So how to read and how to spell it. Next week, I will have you guys type it and then be able to tell me how to say the word, how to spell it. Okay, so good job. I'm trying to get I need to insert something here. Anaghị m aga ebe ọbụla. All right, good. So kedu onye ga-ewere nke atọ? Kedu onye ga-emere anyị nke atọ? Achọrọ m ka onye a jiri aka ya kwuo ya. I want the person to just volunteer himself or herself. I don't want to point to anybody to do this, do that. I need you to be the one to do it yourself. So somebody take it. Don't make me be the one to point to somebody to do it, please. Okay, since you're making me to do that, Ifeoma, Ifi, achọrọ m ka ị mere anyị nke atọ. Kọwara anyị ihe nke atọ pụtara.
Ahambu Ifeoma.
Okay, Ifeoma.
Aga m eje n'ụlọ enyi m.
Yes. That you can say, oh, yeah. Some people say yeah. And remember, what is yes? If I'm again with yes.
It's not a word. You just make a sound.
I know. But then it didn't. Then how about yes?
Yeah, there is no word for yes. You just make a sound.
No.
That's what I said.
Okay, so you say or you can say that's right. Okay, or you can say so it's gonna start with okay, so okay, it's an exclamation. Okay, aga m aga or aga m eje, good, because it's something that you're going to do in the future. It's not present. It's not a so we're gonna review our verb and adverbs, so how you conjugate some things, present, past tense, and past participle. So we will do those ones, but let us learn to do this. Okay, or agam, or the agam, the is referring to you now. Agam eje, or aga, that's the same. You can say agam eje or agam aga. Agam eje or aga na ụlọ. I need to put it now. I don't want you to. So pay attention when I punctuate. And when you pronounce something, that will let you know if it's right or not. Whether you're supposed to put a point. Point means n'okpuru ya. Okpuru means underneath. Okay, aga m eje maọbụ aga m aga na ụlọ enyi m. Ụlọ enyi m. Enyi means friend. Enyi m. Okay, so that's it. Good. Okay, so we're going to have another one. Let me do this. Layout. Okay, so now we're going to do this one. Obo. Ezinne. Onye. Sorry. Who is that? Who is that person? Okay. And number 5. Mother. I did not see anybody. Okay, so kedu onye ga-ewere nke anọ kọwara anyị ihe ọwụ n'Igbo? Achọrọ m ka ofu onye were nke anọ, onye na-ekwubeghị okwu. Ezinne, who is that person? Kelechi, ngwa gwa anyị ihe nke anọ pụtara n'Igbo. Kwusie ike, Kelechi, kwusie ike. Kelechi, before gị kwuo ihe gị kọwa onye bụ. Okay, close, very good. Good job. Okay, Ezinne, onye dị ihe a, onye bụ ihe ahụ. Remember that when we did some of the words we did and say, okay, this is how you say that. Demonstrative pronouns. Remember we did that? We said that. Ihe ahụ. Okay? Okay, so good. Ezinne. Onye bụ. Onye dị ihe ahụ. Onye dị ihe ahụ. Or onye bụ onye ahụ. Onye dị ihe ahụ. Onye bụ ihe ahụ. You can use it interchangeably, okay? Ezinne, onye dị ihe ahụ. And then your mom is trying to find out who is that person. Okay, so the ahụ is supposed to have dot. Onye dị ihe ahụ. Okay. So question. All right, kedu onye ga-emere anyị nke ise? Onye ga-eme nke ise? Blessing. Ngwa ezinne ngwa gwe mere anyị nke ise. Ezinne ọkwa ịnọ ya? Ezinne Blessing. Uche hara.
Yes.
Aha. Ngwanụ mere anyị nke ise.
Hambu Blessing. Nne ahụghị onye ọbụla.
Kwuo ya ọzọ. Pay attention, okay? Pay attention. You say nne,
Nne ahụghị onye ọbụla.
Okay, good. You tried, Blessing. But now listen, you're not supposed to put that pronoun there, possessive pronoun. Remember, you put them. The only time you can say name is like my mother. Pay attention, there's no my in there. These are the things you have to think about, okay? So just say what is there. Remember, name, okay? Name is my mother. But this one say mother. You say nne, like when you say mom, you see, you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You say mom, so there's nothing like my mom here now, okay? It's mom. Okay. Oh, you see what I'm saying? Say nne. You see that? Oh, mama. Okay, good, but you did a good job, okay? All right, so say mama. Come on. Okay, nne. Okay, nne, you can say also mama. Mama, okay? Ahụghị m onye ọbụla. Good. Even I know you didn't say it loud, but that's you really made a great effort, and you did very well. Okay. Ahụghị m. This you, so pay attention. Why I keep pronouncing it, because I want you to know the difference in sound. So when you say ahu, it's not u. Remember, we have two. U, the regular one, and then o, and then o, we have regular o. O and o. So when you say the word, you should be able to know, what are you supposed to put there? Is it the one with the dot or one without the dot? So that's why I keep on stressing on that. So ahu, you can tell is the one with the dot, okay? Okay. Nne or mama. Ahụghị m, and this is in a negative form. Ahụghị m onye ọbụla. Okay, so ọbụla, we should dot it. Bụ, o, ahụghị m onye ọbụla. Okay, right now, okay. Please, Amaka, come help me. Okay, I'm trying to make it simple for you. Okay, come here. Come here. Come here and sit. Now come here. Let us come here and okay. I just don't want to make it complicated. I just want to find a simple word for you. Can somebody complete it? Make it simple. Okay, I can just say come here, but I just want to, challenge you more. Please, Amaka, come here and sit, or come here and lie down. Okay, come here and okay, and lie down. No, I don't want you to start. Okay, let's just leave it here. Please, Amaka, come here. I need your help. Okay. These are two sentences anyway. Okay. Please, Amaka, I need your help. Okay. All right. So somebody take it. Let me see who is here. Chukwode. Ngwa. Achọrọ m ka ime nke a. Nke isii.
Wait, what am I taking?
Nki Chukwudi neighbor. Chukwudi Nki C. Get we see. You see number 6. Take number 6. Are you in this class with us?
Yeah, but I don't see your screen. I can't seem to switch to it.
You can't see the screen?
I can't switch to it either.
What are you looking at?
I'm looking at your face right now.
And you cannot see the screen that I'm sharing.
Yep, I can't.
Can every other person see the screen? Guys, tell me, because I want to make sure all of you are seeing. Let me see. Let me find out the problem Chukwudi is having. Can you guys see the screen, everybody?
Yes, I can see the screen.
Okay, now Chukwudi, find out what's going on. Maybe you're blocking your screen with something. Because if you can see me, you can see the screen that I'm sharing.
No, I can see just your face, but not the screen. I can't switch to it.
Okay, can you minimize the screen space there? Find a way to minimize my space. Because if I'm sharing the screen, you should be able to see the screen.
Well, right now I'm using my phone, so I can't minimize anything.
You can still minimize it to see what is on the screen. But why Chukwudi is trying to get it correct, get to the screen. I need somebody else. I need a volunteer to take care of. Yeah, I need somebody else. Okay, Mike, Uche, you have Uche, have you said something?
Yes, you want to say something again?
Okay, yeah, if you can volunteer to do it. Why Chukwudi is trying to get back to the screen?
Okay. Biko Amaka Achoro in Gi. Is that how you say it?
What do you call help? What's help, Uche?
It starts with an E, right? I don't know how to say
help is enyemaka. Good, but you try it. Help is enyemaka. Okay, good job. Okay, this is how you say it. You can even start with Amaka first. Amaka, Biko. So don't just go like that, okay? I know we started with please, which is Biko, Amaka. But don't forget that you can also say Amaka, Biko. You see what I'm saying? You can move it around, move the noun, okay? You don't have to just say it the way it is. You can move it around. Biko, or you can say Amaka. Start with Amaka, or start with please. Okay, so let's say Biko, Amaka, achọrọ m enyemaka gị. Enyema. So break it in syllables. If you're writing a word, and don't rush it, because if you say like you just missed a letter there. Okay. Achọrọ m enyemaka gị. So break it down, and then you can call it, just pronounce it together, okay? Biko, Amaka, achọrọ m. You say, I need your help. Or when you say, Amaka, Biko, bịa nyere m aka. Amaka, please come here and help me. Come and help me. Okay, so these are two different things. Even though you're saying the same thing, you're trying to ask for somebody's help. Okay, so it is the same. Amaka, Biko, bịa nyere m aka. Please, Amaka, come and help me. And now, Amaka, please, I need your help. Amaka, achọrọ m, you want it, you need it, you need that help. So you have to put it that way. So know the difference, okay? Amaka, Biko, achọrọ m, enyem aka gị. So let us remember, and then we're going to be doing also, when I write something, you tell me if the spelling is correct. And when I say spelling, I'm talking about the punctuation. Should I punctuate it or not? So, Amaka, Biko, achọrọ m enyemaka gị. But we're not gonna do it today. Let me just go ahead and help you do that. Achọrọ m enyemaka gị. N'izuụka na-abịa, izu na-abịa means next week. We are going to, don't miss class because I'm saying this. Agakwala akwụkwọ, don't miss your class, okay? Agakwala ebi akwụkwọ, it means don't fail to come to school, okay? Because I said we're going to have have you read. You are going to learn to read. I'm going to give you a paragraph. It's going to be just easy, very simple paragraph, and I want you to read it to me. I'll give you the one you know practice at home, but then there will be spontaneous ones. There will be just, okay, read this sentence or read this paragraph yourself. And that's a way to help you to learn. So don't miss class just because of that. Come to class, you will learn something. Trust me, you're going to benefit from it, okay? All right. Amaka biko achorom enyem aka ge. Okay, all right. So now, I noticed that some of us who must have maybe forgotten some how to, you know, say numbers, our alphabets, but let's do some of the numbers today. I'm going to write the number and you tell me what it is in Igbo. Okay, so agamede ọnụọgụgụ means numbers. Igbo numbers. Ọnụọgụgụ means numbers. Okay, I will write it. Agamede ya. Gị gwa m ihe ọ pụtara. Etu esi ekwu ya na Igbo. You tell me, Miss. You tell me how to say it in Igbo. Okay. But you guys are trying. I am so happy. At least you know it. It's because your parents, it's like you guys don't try, you don't want to speak it. Try to respond to them. Okay? If they say something in Igbo, instead of responding to them in English, try to respond to them. Speak that Igbo. Speak it. You make a mistake, they correct you. Okay? And that's what it's all about. And here, you guys are getting it. So I don't know why you cannot speak it, respond back to them in Igbo language. So try that. Try it. It's not going to bite you. Trust me. Okay. So now I have 784. Okay. Kedu onye ga-agwa m ihe ọ bụ na Igbo, n'ọnụọgụgụ Igbo? Why you're thinking? Chukwud, I hope you got it. Chukwud, are you with us? Inwetago ya?
I'm turning on my computer. I'm gonna switch to my computer.
Okay, do that, and then maybe after the class, try to see if you can log in with your phone again, because it is the same. You can see everything. Okay, so but try to get it because I want you to follow. All right, all right. So number 8 should be 98. Number 10, number 9, 103. Okay, so let me stop here for now. Kedu onye ga-emere anyị nke asaa? First of all, what is 100? Kedu onye ma ihe bụ 100?
Nari.
Nari. Okay. Now you should be able to tell me the number. And what is 10?
Erie.
What is 20? If you know, if somebody else can tell me, if you know it, just tell me. What is 20?
I don't know that one.
Anybody that knows it, what is 20?
Is it Erie?
Abu.
Iri abụọ. What is 50? Because I want to get you to comprehend what I'm saying.
Iri Ise.
Iri Ise. Okay, now. So it is easy right now. We broke it down. I expect you to be able to say this number. 784. Kedu etu esi ekwu ya? Gwa m ya n'Igbo. Ifeoma, ị nọ ebe ahụ? Okay. Anọ m ebe a. Ifeoma, etu aka ị ga-esi asa ya. Ngwa, gwa anyị ihe nke asaa bụ. 784.
Hold on. Give me a
Onye
second.
ọzọ ma ya while Ifeoma is still trying to come up with her answer. Kedu onye ga-agwa anyị nke asatọ? Nke asatọ. Kedu onye ma ya? Ezinne, gwa m nke asatọ.
Is it? Hold on.
I can see the screen now on my
Oh,
computer.
yay! Welcome back, Chukwudi. Good. Okay. So, okay, don't worry, you're not missing too much. You can still go back to the lesson, okay, to review. Okay. Okay, if I'm a kidding, nke asaa, ezinne gịnị wụ nke asatọ? Na Chukwudi, gị nwa ga-emeziri anyị nke itenaanị. Chukwudi, gịnị wụ itenaanị?
What?
Okay, wait. Gịnị wụ itenaanị?
What does that mean?
Yes, tell me what is itenaanị. I said it in Igbo. I want you to tell me what it is in English.
All right. Let me see.
I know you know it.
Let's try.
Okay, guys, we are wasting time here. Anyị na-egbu oge.
Okay, so what that number is in Igbo?
Kedu onye ifeọma gwa m nke asaa, gịnị ka ọ wụ?
Is it
Nari
Nari Asa? Huh?
Okay,
Huh?
Go ahead.
Is it Nari Asa?
No, don't
Nari.
Is it? Just tell me what you think it is.
Nari Asa.
Nari
Asa, right? Okay.
Asa. Nari Asa.
Na. Oh my God, I'm forgetting. Irena Sato, right? Irina Sato.
You said Nari Asa. Iri na asa. So, please, can somebody tell me if you from a
No, take out the na. Take out the na before Asato.
Okay. Nari asa. Irina
No.
Sato.
No. Okay.
Does that make sense to you, Ify?
I'm saying take out the na before Asato, not the one before Iri.
Oh, okay. My mistake. Okay. Nari asa. Na. Iri asato.
Na.
I
know.
Okay, let's see if I got it. Okay, nari asa. So this is how you say it. Nari, it's okay. You are okay. Nari asa. You don't have to put na. Iri asato na. Okay, nari asa. Iri asato na. No, but it's okay to also leave it nari asa na iri asato na no. You are right, but you can also take off this. It's still okay. All right. So, but you are correct. Ndewo, imerufuma. Okay, Zinne. Over to you.
Wait, can I do 98? Can I do 8?
Okay, since Zinne na achobe egwu anyị, ngwa Chukwudi. Onye na-ekwu Chukwudi ka ọwa onwe gị.
All right.
Chukwudi, introduce yourself the way we say.
Ahambo Chukwudi.
Good, Chukwudi, ngwa.
All right, so 98 it is Iri Itolu na Asato.
Yay! Awesome. Okay. Now, kedu mara anyị nke itoolu? Okay, Chukwudi got it. So, iri. Itolu. Iri. Itolu. Remember, when we did the numbers, I said 9. You can say itolu, itenane, itegete, depending on your dialect. So I mentioned all of them, but we use itenane here. Okay, it's okay to say itolu. That's fine. Chukwudi, that's your dialect, and that's okay. Itolu, itenane, itegete, all of them are correct. Okay, so I'm gonna list all of them here. Itolu, itenane, or itegete. That's how you say it. Okay. So, but this is Chukwude's, listen, he's right. iri itoolu na asatọ. Iri itoolu na asatọ. Okay, kedu onye ọzọ? Good job. Kedu onye ga-emere anyị 103? Come on, guys. You're doing awesome. I'm so happy. Kedu onye ga-emere anyị nke itoolu? Number 9. Somebody take it. Osita. Osi, are you here? Osia, in on there?
Yes, I'm here. I'm sorry.
Okay, how do you say yes, I'm here? How do you say, Kedu say I say yes, I'm here? I want you to tell me that in Igbo.
You said, I think there's no word for yes,
yes,
right?
I'm here. I want you to say
there's no word for yes, right?
Huh?
Is there no word? There's no word for yes, right?
Who said so?
Oh, because earlier when she was talking, I thought she said that,
No. I told her because it's an exclamation, so it's like, oh, so is yes.
Okay.
Because it's an exclamation. That was why she put it that way, and she was right. And you can also say or it is okay. Yeah, that's a word for yes. It means
okay. So I
am here. Say it.
Boo. Is
no.
it?
I am. Anom eba.
Anom eba.
That's how you say it. Yes, okay. I am here. Anom eba. Ngwa gawa n'ihu. Gwa anyị ihe chọrọ ikwu. Number 9, which is nke itoolu or nke itenani, itegete. They are all the same.
Okay.
O nwere onye ọzọ ma ya ma ọ bụ na Osita ma ya? Kedu onye ga-enyere anyị aka?
Oh, you from a? It should be nari na.
If I'm achọrọ nke ikwu it should be in Igbo. Ihe ọ bụla ị na-ekwu ya n'Igbo.
Just forget I said that. Just forget. I'm
not gonna forget it, Ify. Ọ kwesịrị ịbụ it should be means it should.
Oh, okay. You already said it.
Ọ kwesịrị it should be means ọ kwesịrị. Ọ kwesịrị ịbụ. You see that? Ọ kwesịrị ịbụ means it should be. I'll remove it, don't worry. I just want to type it for you all to see. It should be means ọ kwesịrị ịbụ. It's good to come up with it. No, don't run away from it just because you don't want me to make you to say it. Yeah, and that's how you learn. Because if you don't say it, some words, you might not even be able to come across them. And so this is how we were able to get to it. Once it comes out of your mouth, then we can, interpret it. And then you know what it is. Next time, then it can be, you should be able to use it without even saying, oh, I don't know it. So now let me remove it from here and put it somewhere. It should be Miss Okwesere Ebo. All right. Okay. So, go ahead if I'm a kukwenye chariku.
Nari na ato, right?
Nare na ato. Yes. Okay. Now we have 10 more minutes just for questions. All right. Onwenye nwere ajụjụ. Ihe ọbụla ị chọrọ ịjụ, jụọkwa ya ugbu a. If you have any question, please feel free to ask question. This is time for questions. Some words you want to know, some numbers you want us to do now, we can also do them. If you want us to do more sentences, more interactive cases, we can do that. So let us do it. This is your time to ask questions.
Can we redo the numbers?
Okay,
like
yeah,
1 to 10?
Go ahead. Come up with one number, okay?
Oh no, I do want like, can you go through like the number 1 through 10 so I can put them in my notes?
Oh, you mean numbers 1 to 10? Okay,
Yeah,
we can do that, no problem. Okay, 1 is what? What is 1? O2. O2. Going to change it and type something, okay? 2 is abua. Abua. I need to punctuate it. Some people, some dialect, we are doing here Central Igbo. Some people will say 1 is ofu, just for you to know. They say ofu, okay, but that's not what we're doing. Some people will say abua, abua. So the spelling will change there. But we're gonna focus and then continue to deal with Central Igbo. But I want you to know so many ways people say their numbers, okay? 3, some people will say ato, and that's what it is. Ato. 3 is ato. C-T-O. And 4. No. 5 is 6. Now let me go over across. 6. Oh, come on. Isi. Isi. See why we have it? And it's supposed to be punctuated because it's deep. When you say this, when you pronounce it, you hear it. Isi. Okay, so let me find, where is it? Oh, my symbols just disappeared. Okay, yeah, Isi. All right, and 7. Asa. Long vowels. Okay, so that's why we put double A. 8. Asato. 9. Remember what we said before. We can say itolu, iten, itenane, itegete, itegete. Okay, 10. Iri, iri. Okay, now we're gonna do 20. So this is how you plug it in. Now 11 is iri, irina otu. Irina is like you take 10, which is iri, and you plug it, okay? Plug the ones, okay? 2, 3, 4. Iri na otu. You say iri na otu. Iri na abua. Iri na abua. Iri na ato. Iri na ano, and so on. Then you get to what? 20 now. 20 is, let me go down a little bit. 20 is iri abua. Iri abua. Iri abua. Okay. 20 is iri abua. Come on. Boy, I think I deleted something there. That's number 2. Okay. 2. It was abua. Okay. So 30, iriato, 40, iriano. Now, so that's how you count it, okay? So who asked the question, Uche or Osita? Osita.
Uche.
Okay,
Uche.
so make sure you go over the numbers. When you go over the numbers, that's how you do it. We have, what is 100? Everybody. What's 100?
Nari.
Okay, good. What is 1,000? What is 1,000? Nobody in the class still remembers what is 1,000?
Puku.
Puku, you can say puku, can say otu puku, puku. Then 2,000, puku abua, 200, nari abua. What is 1 million? Okay, guys. Okay, go home. Please go and review your numbers. You should know it. We're gonna touch base on this next week. Then do the reading and then the spelling part of it. So go over your numbers again. Please, 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 please. It's very important, okay?
Activate the mute.
Okay, so I need you to go over. Please, the next week, if you still don't get it, we see. All right, so make sure you review your note. It's very important. Go gagaria hende ga megari henda mereme. Go yozo oge nyere ga aka. Onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ other than the numbers Uche asked for. Any other question? Onwere onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? Ajụjụ question. For the reading paragraphs, always check the platform, the forum. I'm going to send the one that I would like you to practice at home. I want everybody to please go over it. And then the song, remember I posted it and said everybody learn it very well. Because we're gonna put it together, we're putting a video together, okay? Everybody learn it if you wanna be part of it. Okay, so onwego onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ. Ngwanụ, ka ọ dị n'ụbọchị ọzọ. Unu emeela, ndewo no.